Hello, today I'm going to show you the easiest way of softening skin. So firstly I'm going to make 2 copies of this background layer. It doesn't need 2 actually, therefore I'm taking 1. Then we are seeing that some acne on this face of this model. Therefore for the first we have to remove this. So that I'm taking the spot healing brush tool and removing this. Pressing Ctrl I. Here we are seeing this layer is inversed. Now giving the blending mode to overlay and going to filter others and high pass and giving the high pass around 4.4. So now here we are seeing the screen is little bit blurred. So now we'll work with that. Now taking a layer mask for this layer. And now inverse this layer mask by pressing Ctrl I. So the layer mask is inversed, and now I'm going to take a brush tool and giving the foreground color white and just brushing the areas where we want to make soft, giving the opacity as you need. I'm giving 74. And please brush very carefully because every details are needed here without the softening. So this was before softening and this is after softening. Now I'm giving a vignetting effect on it, therefore taking a new layer and taking the brush tool and giving the foreground color black and brushing all over the canvas. Now taking layer mask and taking brush tool again and deleting some area with soft brush tool, and here we need to take the foreground color black. Now reposition it carefully as you need. I think now this is perfect, and now I am reducing this opacity. Around 78 is okay. Now I'm taking another adjustment layer which is exposure and giving the offset around 0.0167. I think it's perfect now. So let's check what was before and what is now. This was before and this is now. I think it looks more professional than before. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please liking and commenting to encourage me, and thank you.